Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Ria, and those who don't know, I am a law graduate and I'm currently doing and running a small page which is called Legal Realm. Along with that, this YouTube channel. So in the LinkedIn series, this is my third video in which I will tell you about how to build a strong network. Those who don't know, I have already uploaded two videos. First, why LinkedIn is important for the graduates, and the second video, how to build a LinkedIn profile is strong, step by step. So this is the third video in that series, and in this series I will be telling you most important tips and tricks that can help you to get into the HR's head and to leave an impact, and why not getting a call for an interview. So if you're done with your LinkedIn profile, today is the day when I will teach you how to send requests to the HRs, how to get in touch with them, how to talk to them, some ethics, some principles that you have to follow on the LinkedIn. So LinkedIn runs on connections. When I was young, I used to send blank connection requests to everyone who you know was able to pop on my screen, and I used to just talk to them. But no, it doesn't work like that. When you are seeking an a job opportunity or something like that, something that is very important to be on LinkedIn in a way is called personalized connection request and personalized approach. Once you will change your approach, you will hit the right people, and then you can get in connection with them, and you can ask them what you want. Sometimes when you send the connection request to the HRs, there is a section pop outs on the screen which is called add a note section. That is a very important section. Don't leave it and just send the request writing a hi or something like that. No. So in that note, you can add your personalized messages. You can add what you're looking for, if they are having any vacancies in the companies. More than that, you can build a connection first and then ask what you want, so that there will be more impactful approach to them. Then if you are sending a request to HR, please do check in which company they are working, what role they are hiring for, and then personalize your message and then reach out to them. And also engage with their profile. If they have posted something, you can like it, you can comment it, you can share it, and by that you can create an impact or your name in the mind of the HR, and you will be more recognizable. Accept your invitation on the LinkedIn, or if they accept your connection request on the LinkedIn, don't spam them, don't write any messages, wait for 1 or 2 days, then reach them out, ask them if they are having any vacancies for the fresh graduates, or anything like that. Most of the students, what they do is, after getting accepted the connection request by the HRs, they start spamming and begging for the job. Don't do that. That creates a very negative impact on the mind of the HR, that you are needful and you are like begging for the job is not the right approach that you should do. Do not send 100,000 connections in one go. Don't do that. Personalize, minimize, and then send request. Never ever forget that LinkedIn is a very professional platform, and not to Instagram or Facebook like of things. So don't send them any emojis, don't talk casual to them unless you are well aware of them. In the first code, don't use emojis. This will create a very bad impact as your personality, so don't do that. Also, taking suggestions from my previous video, you can personalize your LinkedIn profile, so that if they check out your profile, they should be finding you very a good profile to consider it. So please do enhance your profile. There are lots and lots of group and communities over the LinkedIn, so you can join many of them according to your preferences, and you can get updates very frequently. You can get the update from the corporate world. That's a very easy way to know everything in a one place. Just congratulate and try to interact with the people you have to connect with. If you want to go into the Infosys, right? I'm just assuming. So if you are someone who is very passionate to join Infosys, open the Infosys company profile, go to the people section, write human resources in the search bar that is written, that is given, and once you write the human resources, the people in the human resources will pop in. Send request to your one or two people and message them. You can find the email IDs from the post if they are having it, or from their profile. Send them your resume, send them what you are looking for in their company, and yes, they will reward it. So if you like this video and got something new to learn, you can like this video, share with your friends who are searching and who are trying to learn the LinkedIn platform. This is for you. Thank you.